You're going to want to start off by spray painting your hula hoop and your plate and or base together. While that's drying, you're going to want to get all your materials together. That's going to include a hula hoop, floral wire, wire cutters and or scissors, hot glue gun, floral flowers, a plate and or base, floral foam and or styrofoam, rhinestones, fishing wire, decorative lights, and spray paint. When everything is dried down, you should get a plate and a hula hoop that looks something similar to this. Next step is to start hot gluing the floral foam to the plate that you have, and if you have a base you can do it. It doesn't matter what size, it just depends on what you like. If you have a bigger hula hoop, you're going to want a bigger base, and then you're going to also want to start cutting the hula hoop to the dimensions of the plate. Once everything is glued down together, you're going to want to start adding the floral selection that you got and start making your masterpiece. If you found that your base wasn't sturdy enough, you can add Gorilla Glue. It will take a few hours to dry down, but it will be worth it in the long run. Now, depending on your taste level, this might be extra. It does take a little while. It did take me a couple hours to do the front and the back side. This is just something because that is my zhuzh. I love to have a little bit of bling 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 wherever I am. So I did go ahead and do this. It didn't take as long as I thought it was going to take. It was pretty easy once you get in the motion of it, but it does look beautiful when the lights hit it from every angle. You should get something similar to mine when you are finished. Then proceed by hot glue gunning and tackle stringing your letters around the hula hoop. It's okay if you see the hot glue for now because you're going to cover it all with floral decoration in the meantime. You should get something similar to this. Zing, 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 bling, 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 sparkle, sparkle. It's beautiful. Then you're going to continue by taking your floral decoration and hot glue gunning it around the hula hoop. Now, you can use flower wire. I thought it was easier just to use the hot glue gun. Like I said, if you know that your base is going to be a little heavier like mine, you're going to want to have a bigger base. If your hula hoop's going to be heavier, if you're going to have like bigger decorations and more flowers, just make sure you have a bigger base to compensate in the meantime. And as you can see, I'm just going around the hula hoop and making sure everything's perfect. I did do the front and the back, so it looks beautiful on both ends because the lettering is going around fully with the rhinestones. If you want to be extra, you can go ahead and get a flower vase base. I got mine on sale from Michael's for $5.99. I got the straw and I got some filler from the 99-cent store and Dollar General. You can go ahead and fill the vase with your materials that you got. It's going to look so decorative and stunning. I can't wait for you guys to see the final result. This is coming together perfectly. This is what it should look like heading towards the end. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the table and go ahead and show you guys the final result. There you have it. It's your DIY hula hoop wedding centerpiece decor. I did get all of my flowers from the 99-cent store and Dollar General. I got the flower vase base from Michael's. I got the rhinestones from Walmart. The project was probably about $20 to $30. It's perfect for all seasons. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Please, it would mean so much to me. I will keep recording more for you guys. You can follow me on all my social media links down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.